In today's video, I will show you now how to make viral thumbnails we want to see for on our screen right now. You get 95% chances of your content going viral, whether on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, or Instagram. We can just waste our time, make a show on my screen. So
first thing first, you go enter inside your browser. Then you go type in ChatGPT. Click enter. So the next thing now to just type in this prompt depending on the kind thumbnail you want create. As you see like this now, the dark truth about my Zuckerberg thumbnail now I want create. So depending on the kind of thumbnail you want create, you could type the name for there or the title for there. After you copy this prompt, then you will click enter. So as you see like this now, the prompt they generate. So after the prompt don't generate finish, then I can see option like, would you like me to go ahead and generate a thumbnail with that description? So you can type yes, go ahead. Then wait for the result. So the next step like this now, they see like this now, they write getting started. So you go wait. So when I see the final result, but she has it makes sense and it clean. This kind of thumbnail like this now, if you post them for YouTube, bro, I cannot go live for you. You get 100% chances of your content going viral. Now, this particular thumbnail, why I do like this now for YouTube. What if maybe you want to do Facebook thumbnail or Instagram Reels thumbnail? Now, if you type in this prompt, now after you type in this prompt, then you go click on enter. Now you see how like it's not getting started, so we just keep the video. So you see so it will not pass like this, my brother. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I will drop a lot of long form content for this YouTube channel. So I will drop the link for the comment section of this video. So go there, click on subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share this video so that other people to feel learn from this information what I just share with my like this. So your pass like this.